Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to get your Wix website's HTML code. Whether you're trying to see how Google crawls your site or you're looking for a specific snippet to back up, these steps relate perfectly to each other to help you peek under the hood of your site. First, you need to understand the difference between the view source code and your actual design. Because Wix uses server-side rendering, SSR, the HTML you see in your browser is a converted version of your design meant for search engines. To see this, open your live site in Chrome, right-click anywhere and select View Page Source or press Ctrl+U. This gives you the raw HTML that Google sees, including your meta tags and header scripts. Next, if you want to see the live code that's currently running your animations and layout, you should use the developer tools. Press F12 or right-click and select Inspect. This opens a panel on the right where you can see the Elements tab. This relates directly to your active design. As you hover over lines of code in the panel, the corresponding part of your website will light up on the screen. This is the best way to find specific CSS classes or ID names if you're planning on doing some custom coding later. The final connected step is for those who want to see their site exactly as a search engine bot does. In your Chrome DevTools, click the three dots in the top right, go to More Tools and select Network Conditions. Deselect Use Browser Default and choose Googlebot from the drop-down menu. Then refresh the page. This forces Wix to serve the exact HTML structure it provides to crawlers, which is essential for troubleshooting your SEO. That is literally it. Just remember that while you can view this code, you can't edit it directly here and have it saved to your Wix site. You'll still need to use the Wix Editor or the code panel for that. If this helped you get a better look at your site's foundation, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to use the Velo console to write your own custom scripts next, and I will see you in the next video.